Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today I've come with a problem from electrostatics. It is flipping triangle and charges of tetrahedron. So you can see there is one arrangement here, so it's a problem based on this. Guys, this video is brought to you by Indian School of Physics and Unacademy together. You can access my theory courses which are of advanced plus levels for boosting your JEE preparation. You can unlock these courses on Unacademy using my code Nitin sir, and guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. For more info, you can visit www.unacademy.com, and guys, liking, sharing, subscribing is love. So here, in a given system of charges, the 4-point charge particles A, B, C, D, each of mass m and charge q, are connected by light inextensible threads of length d, and are arranged on the vertices of a tetrahedron as shown in the figure. The thread connecting particles A and B is suddenly cut, and the system is placed in gravity-free space. Then the maximum speed of particle A during the motion will be. So here you can see, as we cut this thread, right? This thread will disappear here, and the system will start rotating about this axis. So you have to imagine like this CD line will go inside, and these charges will start coming this side out of the plane, and you can see the maximum speed of this will come when the entire system will be in one plane. So this is what I have written here. After the string between A and B is cut, particle A and B will pivot downward, and particle C and D will move upward, so that momentum is conserved, right? So you can see here something like this. They are going to move in this direction, and this entire system will come like this. Downward means it's in 3D, slightly difficult to make in 2D. But here, better diagram, you can see these two particles will be moving down, and this will be moving up like this. And since all masses are given same, so we can conserve linear momentum of the system. So we can say by symmetry, the entire system, all masses will have equal speed at this particular instant. So conservation of momentum is done. And since CD is connected, so this length cannot change here. So these two particles cannot move away from each other. Instead of that, you can see these two triangles will open up like a book we open about the rotation axis. So this is what I have just told. The maximum kinetic energy of the system will be when entire system will be in one plane. So we can directly say that change in potential energy will be equal to change in kinetic energy, which is nothing but 4 times half mv square. So in these two arrangements, somehow we have to find out the change in potential energy. So initially, all the charges are at a distance of d, and we are taking pair of 2 at a time. So there are 4 charges, so total number of turns will be 4c2 in potential energy. And since all distances are identical, directly I can say here this ui is going to be 6 times kq square by d. And finally, when the situation is something like this in a plane, you can see this distance is d, but this distance, this is the equilateral triangle here, so this will become L root 3 by 2, D root 3 by 2, and this is D root 3 by 2. So overall distance 2L, I can write it as D root 3. So for these pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, kq square by d will come, and this distance is also d, so kq square by d will come, but this distance is d root 3, so here potential energy will become kq square by d root 3. So once we know this initial and final potential energy, we can conserve energy here, and just by substituting the values, we are going to get V as kq square by 2md 1 minus 1 by root 3. So this is going to be the final answer for this, and this is going to be the maximum speed of charge A. So guys, like you would have seen in past many videos, I have been giving information about this Super 20 program. So we will be selecting some of the students out of top 500 rankers in Unacademy tests, those who are writing, and those 20 students will be called for a workshop or a boot camp in most likely in Bangalore city for 2 days, and where you will be interacting with the top educators at Unacademy, and you can win up to 100% scholarship also. And these are the top educators who have produced all India rank 1 in JEE Mains and Advanced in past. and it will be a very nice experience for all of you. And again, there is this IIT mega offer for Plus and Iconic subscription. For if you buy for 18 months, 3 months will be free, and similarly, and if you buy for 6 months Iconic subscription, you will be getting 1 month extra in that. But these are valid till 30th November, so this is the last day. So we have around 1.5 hour left for this. So that's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this problem. It was easy, and such type of problems can definitely come in JEE Advanced type of exam. So if you have enjoyed this problem, please leave a like, share this video with others, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.